Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to simply show you on how to delete your Facebook ad account from your phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook ad app. So I'm going to click on my Facebook ad app right here. Then having opened up your Facebook ad right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Then take you right here. Now here, you need to choose a page that you would like to delete. So I'm going to simply select this page. Then having selected the page, next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then click on deactivate or delete Facebook. So click on that. And you'll be taken to whereby you will need to enter your username and password. Simply log into the Facebook account and from there choose delete account. It's as simple as that. And your Facebook ad account is going to be totally deleted, including the page that is associated to the ad account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.